Imagine a 4x4 that can do nearly 50 miles to the gallon, that has the CO2 emissions of a Super Mini. You think I'm dreaming? Well, check this vehicle out here. This is the new eco-friendly face of Range Rover, and I'm about to have an exclusive first ride in this vehicle to find out if it can live up to all the promise. Welcome to the very inviting world of the Range Rover Evoque. As you can see, it has the look, it has the feel of a premium Range Rover inside of here. It may be slightly smaller, but you lack for none of the luxuries of life in a Range Rover. I'm with the man who is affectionately known as the guru of Land Rover and Jaguar's handling. Mike Cross is in the driving seat, and he has taken this vehicle to levels of agility and performance and fun that I would not have imagined in an SUV. To be truthful, this does not feel, apart from the high up seating position, like an SUV. It handles more like a coupe. We're on the country roads of mid-Wales, which are demanding with a capital D, and the Evoque just devours them. It loves the open road. It's not only really agile, it not only handles with the grip, sometimes it feels like a sports car, but it's got the refinement and the poise you'd have expected from a Range Rover. This vehicle is about the size of a Freelander, but it's even more maneuverable than a Freelander, and I think that this is going to attract an awful lot of female buyers. This is going to be not only the cool vehicle to be seen in around Chelsea or the cities of the world, but also this is going to be a fun vehicle. And of course, the real bonus of all of this though is that in this vehicle, driven with a very light right foot admittedly, you're going to get near to 50 miles to the gallon. That would have been unbelievable years ago. That's partly due to the more lightweight nature of the vehicle, but also stop-start system, which helps to cut fuel economy and CO2 emissions. Obviously, this is a Range Rover, and the Evoque will come with a Range Rover price, but it will be the most affordable Range Rover ever. The estimate is that it will start around about 35,000 and go up to somewhere near 50,000 for a fully spec'd version. But you compare that to the price of the big Range Rover, and all of a sudden, this is a lot more attainable. It'll go on sale this September, and there's already an order list of several thousand people who can't wait to get their hands on a car that is set to be one of the hot cars of 2011.